go. Come on, baby.
Hello, ako na yung kakanta.
Go, darling! She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, lonely like the highway. She's living in the world and it's on fire. Filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the cloud and she's not backing down. Everybody's scared when she goes by, sticking to the famous in her eyes. But she was lighting up the night. Nobody knows she's a lonely girl, and it's a lonely world. But she let it burn, baby, burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire. This girl is on
Bamboo.
fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. She's just a girl and she's on fire.
Oh my God!
Ano yung pangalan mo? No, anong pangalan mo at ilang taong ka na?
Darlene po.
Darlene?
Papa.
And 10 years old.
Maliit po.
Hindi. Anong trabaho ng magulang mo? Tatulong ka lang muna.
Tricycle driver po si Papa, tapos po si Mama, nag-aaral po siya ng education. Tapos po, si Papa po nagpapag-aral sa aming apat. Si Mama po, pinag-aral po ni Papa.
We got a charmer on our hands.
Tapos po, si Laate naman po, si Papa po ulit. Kaming apat po pala, pinag-aaral po kami ni Papa.
Oh, wow. So I applaud your papa. Yung gusto ko sa boses mo, yung energy na yun, lumalabas sa pagkanta mo yun, eh. Ang sarap pakinggan lang, eh.
Alam mo, ang hinahanap ko talaga sa Team Sara, yung fighter eh. Narinig ko yun sa pagkanta mo kanina. Talagang nandun yung fighting spirit mo. Yung, she's just a girl, but she's on fire. Hinahanap ko yun eh, talaga eh. At ito ang mapapromise ko sa'yo, Darlene. I will fight for you and we will fight together to win this battle.
Ang cute mong bata ka. Grabe ka. Hindi lang cute. Pa, matalino. Parang napakadali mong turuan.
Really, eh.
Pangatlo, yung personality mo, parang punong-puno na itong studio, naaabot mo lahat ng mga taong nandito. I like you a whole lot.
Ano, paano to? Darling, up. Slide down.
Ang pipiliin ko po, nagsisimulang pangalan na L po.
El?
Leia po.
Good job.
Darlene, thank you!
Yayakapin mo na kita. May nunal ka dito sa ano?
Pinagkakamalan pong kulangot.
Ay! Hindi naman kulangot yan. Pero ano huwag mong itago. Kasi ang kasabihan daw, kung saan yung nunal, parang ibiniyaya ka ng Diyos dyan. So, may nunal ka dyan sa bibig. So, kumakanta ka. So, ibiniyaya ka ng Diyos ng boses na maganda.
Yeah.
So, eto, ibibigay ko yan sa'yo. Thank you!
Thank you, Darlene.
Good job, darling. Good job.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye. Good job.